Alright y'all, so I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. And I shampoo my hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore shampoo. And this shampoo has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It cleanses and nourishes natural, chemically processed, or heat-styled hair. It's sulfate-free and color safe. The shea butter says it deeply moisturizes while conditioning hair and scalp. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil is loaded with reparative omegas that promote healthy hair growth, and the peppermint stimulates the scalp for an invigorating experience. And y'all, my scalp was definitely tingling, so I definitely felt that sensation. And I like this shampoo a lot because it didn't make my hair feel dry. It actually made my hair feel nice and soft. And the conditioner that I used was the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And it says that it softens and nourishes natural, chemically processed, or heat-styled hair, sulfate-free, and color safe. I really like this product a lot because it made my hair really soft, and then it helped me finger detangle as well before I use my wide tooth comb. So I would definitely be using this product again, and I would definitely be buying this product again. But if you would like to see my final results, continue watching. And the two products that I'm going to be using in today's video is the Creme of Nature's Argan Oil from Morocco Creamy Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. And I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. And I actually used this product before for Flexi Route, so I'm going to put that video up in the card so you guys can check that out. But I'm starting off with spraying my hair with water, and then I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. And I'm going to go in with my hair lotion. This is about how much I'm using. And this product is really creamy, and I'm going to make sure that I put a lot of the product on my ends. And I'm not going to use too much of the hair lotion just so that my hair won't take forever to dry. And then I took about a half a pump of the foaming mousse and distributing that all throughout my hair. Making sure that I get my ends and making sure that I get my roots. And again, I'm going to use my wide tooth comb. And after I use my wide tooth comb, I'm going to go in with my Tangle Teaser brush just to ensure that my hair is tangle free. And I'm going to apply a little bit more of the hair lotion to my ends, just to ensure that my hair doesn't frizz up at the ends. And when you're twisting your hair, you want to make sure that you don't do it too tight, because when you wrap your Bantu knot around, it's already going to be tight. And then I wrap my finger around my hair, just to ensure that my hair is still in a twist form. And then I wrap the Bantu knot around itself, and then I'll make sure each time I wrap it, I go under the previous piece of hair. Alright you guys, so I'm back and I actually let these sit in my hair for 2 days, and yesterday I sat under the dryer and then this morning I sat under my bonnet dryer just to make sure that my hair was dry. I didn't have any time for me to take my Bantu knots out and then they didn't turn out right. So I'm going to give you guys just a look at what my Bantu knots are looking like. This is the front. And as y'all can see, like some of my Bantu knots are really big, so I'm kind of nervous to see how they turn out. And I'm going to coat my hands with oil. I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Balanced Grapeseed and Avocado Oil. And I really like this oil too. It smells good. I took out my bobby pins maybe like yesterday, I want to say, because it was starting to hurt my head. But when you are taking your Bantu knots down, you want to twist them in the opposite direction that you put them in. But I'm going to take down the back of my head first, and I'm going to separate also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to untwist the Bantu knot, and then I'm going to separate where my hair wants to naturally separate. And y'all, I haven't actually did these in a minute, so I'm just relearning how to do these. Alright, so this bigger section, I'm going to apply some more oil to my hands, to my fingertips, I mean. And then, do y'all see this definition though? Like, yes. But I'm going to stretch out the curl, and then I'm going to just separate where my hair naturally separates, just so that I'm not disturbing the curl. But yeah, my curls are so tight, like it's crazy. Look at my shrinkage. But alright you guys, this is what the back is looking like. I'm just gonna speed up the video and just let you guys see the process of me taking down the rest of the Bantu knots. Hey y'all, so as you all can see, I'm finally done unraveling all of my curls, and y'all, my Bantu knot out turned out so cute, and I love how vibrant my hair color is, and I love how tight my curls are, and I love how defined my curls are as well. And y'all, this is my first time doing a Bantu knot out on wet hair, so I was really glad that it turned out the way it did, and I'm gonna insert the video of me doing my Bantu knot out on dry hair up above in the cards so you guys can check that out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like my content and would like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join the faith gang. And don't forget to hit that post notification button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, faith gang. And always remember to stay prayed up and remember faith over fear.